from Parsley Hill Spaniels. That up there is a northern sapsucker. It's a woodpecker. Maybe I can zoom in a bit better than me. That's Edward moaning because we're not walking yet, but we're about to. But I thought I'd try and show you that. The northern sapsucker. What I mean, northern sapsucker. Oh, it's a woodpecker. Just one of the many that we have here on Parsley Hill. And we are going this way for a change. It is Sunday, the 31st of August. Wow. Labour Day weekend for us. Oh, I've just realised that's all in. Put it back, shall we? There we are. Back to normal. Now you can see things. Teddies are down there exploring. Yes, Swissy, we're going to go this way. Yes, as I was saying, it's Sunday, 31st of August. Labour Day weekend for us. Obviously, this is pre-recorded because the Major and I are on our on our holidays. But our daughter's here and son-in-law, stepson, a bit weird, wouldn't it? Son-in-law and our grandchildren. So they're looking after the house. Still haven't found Swissy's volume control button, have we? No. But more importantly, it's Sunday, so therefore we're having a saunter for Sherpa and all the fur babies that have gained their wings. Speaking of wings, are you being noisy? You are, aren't you? Yes. They caught a mouse earlier. Yes, chickens catch mice. Anyway, we're going to go and have a saunter. For those of you that are wondering what a saunter is a slow stroll. So you're sauntering. Oh, that's nice. What are you doing there? You've done something, haven't you? Yeah, never mind. Anyway, we're just having a saunter, a stroll with the spaniels to remember everyone. Just going to check my lens a second. That's better. It's cleaner. Got dirty. So, Sherpa, round everyone up. Let's go for a saunter. And we can all remember our own fur babies while we're sauntering. And imagining them enjoying themselves out here on Parsley Hill with the spaniels. Finding exciting sniffs. What was that about? Oh, Eric. He's having his second childhood. Maybe his third, actually. Have you seen the size of this one over here? Rafe, look at it. How big for a mushroom? Huge. Like a dinner plate. Some of the apples have come down. So Adelaide, Lucy and Boogie are quite happy. They use those as edible baubles. They like playing with them. What's the point? Where is she? There she is. You coming? Yeah, we'll go this way for a change. Oh, what's in here still? These grasses coming up, look. We're at yard work today, I think. Ooh. Another sunflower coming out. I think that'll be out by the time we get back from our holiday. What's this one? That one's developing all its seeds now. As is that one. And that one. And that one. And like I say, the deer ate that one. Oh. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Lovely to have you here. Part of our little extended family. Hope you're all doing well. What's everyone been up to this week then? Obviously we were getting ready to go on our little holiday. We never go away for long. Oh, look at this. And fingers crossed we're enjoying it. I should think we are. Do enjoy it. Edward, don't do that. Thank you. We do enjoy San Francisco. It's our happy place. Oh, there's another big one, look. Yeah. As you see, we would have walked past the shed that the Major's been building. Still trying to find time to finish putting those last lot of sidings on. But he's deep into his semester now, so I'm not sure when that'll happen. He's starting, well, he's already started on his thesis. He's gathering all the information. You finished this one. He found a raggy ball that he'd hidden, and he was walking around with it yesterday. I don't know where he's hidden it since. Okay. I have actually managed to get out and do some porcupine proofing on the fencing that I put up earlier this year. So hopefully that'll be good. I can hear Eric barking. Oh well, never mind. He's enjoying himself. Hey Sherpa, you rounding them up? You're showing them all the little different places they can go and explore? Look at that. Eric's voice will get hoarse in a minute and he'll stop barking. He's developed this habit now of going out the back door, I should say the patio door from the kitchen, going outside and then coming around to the front and barking to be let in around the front. Excuse me, hay fever still. Instead of going back in the way that he came. I was going to show you those puffballs. Where are they? There's a couple there. Hard-shelled puffballs, never heard of them before. There's some double ones down here, they remind me of snowmen. Yes, I mentioned that dreaded S word. Ooh, look at that one. Quite puffy. Looked like something perhaps a fairy would sit on. He's up to no good in there somewhere. He's all Swiss. Oh, that's Adelaide joining him. Where should we go? Go this way? I'm trying to keep away from the west walks because of Eric barking. Also, there's a load of stinging nettles on part of it, and if I've got bare legs, I get stung. I don't want to get stung, thank you. I would actually like to go one year without having any stings of anything. No wasps, no bees, hornets, any of it. Come on, we'll go up this way. See if I can get them. No, they're definitely having a bark at her next door. Oh, it could be him next door. Possibly both. Yeah, it's not a nasty bark. I can tell all the different barks. It's not a nasty bark, that's a what are you doing there bark. That's what I haven't joined in. I wonder where Boogie's gone. Boogie's okay. Thank you for your concerns. She's good. Just sometimes if she sets off too quickly chasing something, getting too excited, she gets a little bit of upset tummy. Or she pulls her tummy. But a little rest and she's good. That is definitely Adelaide. Might get down there and finish that this winter. What do you think? Just imagine Sherpy in there, doing his thing. Oh, September next week. Well, actually, September tomorrow. Come on then. And there's Swiss, there's Gladys. And Jamie meant to be going off to Switzerland. Jamie, if you are listening, or friends of you are listening, friends of yours I should say are listening, Switzerland's not what you think it is. It really isn't. It's very expensive. You can pay in euros, you don't have to pay in Swiss francs, but they will give you change in Swiss francs. They're quite strict on things, where you can park, what you can do, how fast you can go, that sort of thing. They're very strict. And you don't get the autumn colours that you think you're going to get. So if you're going to go October, I would go beginning of October, where the weather will still be quite nice. So obviously the higher elevation you go, the more likely you are to get that dreaded white stuff come down on you quite quickly too. I think, personally, you'll love Austria and you'll love Italy, because Italy's right on Switzerland as well, so you could drive across to Italy and do the Italian Alps, and just northern Italy. It's gorgeous. All the lakes and things, you'd love it. Take your paddleboard. You'd enjoy that. Anything with a Z, as in S-E-E after it, or the name, means it's a lake. It's an inland lake. It's their inland seas. So they'll be quite safe for you. Oh, I couldn't whistle then. Come on! Let's go! I think they're coming now. 2 reprobates. But yeah, if you do go, Jamie, I hope you have a good time. Just hope you're not disappointed with it. Austria is prettier than Switzerland, and friendlier as well. Oh, look, there's Big Boy. I know what I'm talking about. I used to live in Germany for 13 years, and we'd regularly go down to the Alps, drive down, and go through Switzerland. Zurich's okay. It's not bad. Oh, there you are. But if it's somewhere you've always wanted to go, then enjoy it. I hope you do. But I think you're just going to enjoy the whole of Bavaria, Austria, Italy, the Alps, that sort of thing. And I think you'll be surprised at how close you are to Venice. And yes, you can go and park in a normal car park in Venice and park for the night. You might enjoy that. This lot. Venice does smell though. Probably because of the lagoon where it is. But it's very historical, obviously. Things to go and see. Bridges to walk over, like bridge size. Marvel at how the buildings have kept themselves upright all this time. See how it's slowly sinking into the sea? Look at you, come on. Anyway, there's lots to do. And if you are driving down, if you're driving down the way I think you're driving down to Switzerland, you're going to go through what's called Füssen. And that's where Norvenstein is. It's the Ludwig's castle. That's always worth a stop and having a look. He's got his summer castle there, and his which was also known as his mother's castle. And the castles look older than they are. He actually had them built that way. Look at you. But you'll probably know Fussum Castle as Chitty Chitty Bang Bang Castle, because it's where Chitty Chitty Bang Bang landed in the castle square in the film. I think you'll enjoy it though. Yes. Have any of you lot got plans to take a short break anywhere? Go and do something? Perhaps you're thinking of doing Christmas markets this year. Oh, look at him. What is he doing? Can highly recommend Christmas markets. Love them. Yeah, I can see you. For us, it's not worth the flight if we're only going to go for a couple of days to Europe, because we fly overnight, so you lose a day there and you got the flight back, and then obviously you got some jet lag in between there. So if you're going to go from where we are, it's best to go for at least a week, 10 days, so you enjoy it. But if you got them near you that are only a few hours drive or whatever, go, you'll love them. It's lovely. And if it's a true Christmas market, the only things that will be sold are wintry goods, you know, like jumpers, sweaters, scarves, mittens, hats, jackets, blankets, that sort of thing. Handmade toys, wooden toys, nothing plastic. And handmade ornaments for Christmas and things. It's lovely. No mass-produced items. It's lovely. Love markets like that. Artisan markets, aren't they? What do you think, Sherps? You going to hang around there with your mates? Yeah? We're going to have a wander up here. I'll show you the shed. Aren't you? I think it's time to go and get coffee as well. I'll just go and check the chickens. There you go, Charla. Hope your surgery went well, because that was Wednesday. Hope you're recovering well and doing well. I think I've just picked up a spider on my arm. Yeah, I have. Better. There's the shed. So you've just got to do the back. And obviously put a door on and some shelving in there, but for the most part it's done. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Percy's not in yet, but I'm sure he will be. They think that's trail mix. It's better. And now you're drinking Percy's water. Okay. If you're wondering why the Major's still got some uniform out here, even though he officially retired in 2 days, it's because this is old and it's been in the desert. Many years old, and it's also been in a box and it's smelt, so took it out, gave it a good wash, and then put it on the line to get a good airing. Yeah, that's why that's there. That's very old and it's his keepsake. Why not? What bird was that? Oh, it's a chickadee. You can hear all the bird song. Wonderful. Right. Wait, reprobates, come on. Go and get this lot in. It's turning into a nice warm day. So everyone, hope you enjoyed, oh no, that's the cat. Hope you enjoyed coming on our saunter. Just a little mooch around, nice little 20-minute walk. Teddy's happy. Got to go and find Eric again. Yeah, around somewhere. And Cheesy, well, Cheesy's always sensible. She's been out and gone in, hasn't she? Anyway, until next time, everybody take care. We'll see you soon. Please subscribe and like and send us comments and emails and all that fab things, because we love hearing from you. I'd like to know what you're doing. Until then, take care. Happy sniffs.